Good afternoon. Today what I'm going to show you is how to actually take advantage of the Niche Hunter. The Niche Hunter is a very, very good tool. So what we're actually doing is 9 times out of 10 we're bringing really, really popular products from America, London, all over the world, even locally, but more overseas, bringing to them Australia first, putting them on eBay, putting them on websites, putting them on Facebook ads, and actually converting sales. So what I'm going to do today is I'm actually going to show you how to use a niche hunter and understand on how it works, how you use it, and where to post it. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to register an account and then get it approved by us. Once you have your account, just come in here and just press login. Once we log in here, it's going to show us 4 weeks ago we uploaded a product. What we want to do is just hit new as first, okay? And that will actually show you that 51 minutes ago, 57 minutes ago, etc. that we've actually uploaded some content in here. So for an example, what we want to do now is we want to go ahead and actually have a look at some products. So for an example, if we just click on show me the niche, it's actually going to show you the niche. What this will give you, it's very simple. Okay, this will give you the dropshipping suppliers. If you want to buy it in bulk, if you want to sell it on Amazon, have a look at people selling on an eBay, a website selling this, and also a Facebook ad selling this. Okay, so what we need to do first of all is, if you're just using this for your eBay store, screenshot this photo or right click it, save image as on your desktop. Save all these photos here. Okay, save all those photos there. Also too, we do a custom description. We notice when we get our descriptions from our supplier, they're usually not that good, but we're doing our own custom descriptions here. Okay, so one, it's going to show you the dropship supplier. So if we go over to the dropship supplier here, okay, and we can actually see where we can buy it. We've made sure that the e-packet's available. Okay, so we get it with within that around that 7 to 10 day mark, quite quick. So your clients can use that, so that works out well as well. Also too, if you are looking to buying in bulk, you can actually wholesale this item if you want to hold stock. Okay, so we can get it a lot cheaper. Also too, Amazon, a product selling like this, selling on Amazon. Also too, an eBay account selling this. Just remember, eBay is the dirt cheap things on eBay. Again, $52. We're still making a profit at $52. This guy's sold sold 20 so far, so it's not too bad. So the main thing about it is when we're selling it is that, one, we copy all the information, we copy the photos, we go ahead, we copy all the details there, and we put that as the header. Okay, so it's very simple to do. We're telling you, for an example, the product cost is $30. Selling price for around $77. Profit margin is $47 on this. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to show you an example of a Facebook ad. So for an example here, we can see here the 6.6, so the 6,600 likes on this, 886 shares, and 697 different people commenting on this. So it's a hot product. Also too, we give you a video on actually how to actually sell this. So if you want to use the video, just copy the video URL and you can actually copy that video there and you can put it on your Facebook. So Australia and New Zealand, so you should be selling this in Australia and New Zealand to males between 18 and 35 who like gaming consoles, Super Mario and stuff like that. So what we did is we've actually gone ahead and done a $100 ad on Facebook. This is our ad here, 601 retro gaming. All your old school games, 60% off plus free shipping. Shop now. We got 563 reactions, 7 comments. But the main thing about it is we had 7,283 people actually watch the video. We've had 308 people click the link, so they're literally linked to the product. 2 page likes, 9 comments. Okay, so that's really good. So if we go into the back end of our website here, we can see all the sales, 69, 63, 63, 63. So if we actually click on these products here, for an example, let's click on one of these products here. As you can see here, look, it's a product we're selling, built-in 601 double controller. Again, so if we look there, there's over $1,000 in sales just from that one ad running from the Niche Hunter. All right, so if we look at another product now from the Niche Hunter, okay, if we look at another product from the Niche Hunter now, we know that there is a hot seller. Beautiful. So that's great. If we look at another product now, let's have a look at a case. Okay, phone case. Where are we? Anti-gravity phone cases, really good. So we're getting for $5. If we go over to our eBay here, selling and sold, we can actually have a look on how many of these items we've actually sold. Here we go. So active listings, 410. So the best way to do it will be the other way, is we'll just come up here, go to 263, and we'll have a look at the iPhone 6 case, what we're selling. Okay, so we've actually sold 433 of these cases, okay, at $39. So that's a $35 profit. So if we look here, okay, so as I said, it's around a $15,000 product just for one item. Okay, so again, when we're selling this item, okay, again, all we're doing is we're using the description of one anti-gravity case. So again, you don't have to use this whole thing. You can just use, iPhone 6 plus case, whatever you like to use. There's your description, a better description than what the supplier gives you. Telling us the product's worth $5, we're selling it for $25. We're actually selling it for more. We're actually selling it for $39. So as you can see, these are all the different sales we've done. Okay, October 10th, 9th, 9th, 8th. So you can see there's a lot of sales. Not short of sales. So as I said, it's about $15,000 in iPhone cases there, just from the niche hunter alone. Okay, so again, one, we're taking the photos, using those photos. If we want to add, an Australian flag in the corner here or anything like that, you can. So just use Canva. You'll learn how to use Canva to do this. The video is available if you want to use a video on your Facebook ad or on your own website or anything like that. But the main thing about it is what we're doing here is we're simply just using these products to sell directly on eBay. If you're looking on eBay, if you're looking to sell on your website, we're giving you a description of this iPhone to be sold on a website. So we're showing you how people are selling this on the website. So you can pretty much copy all of this anyway from these websites. And then you can literally go ahead and use it on your own website. Sell it wherever you want. At the end of the day, you can sell this wherever you like. So again, your niche hunter here is giving you all the information. One, it's giving you your descriptions. It's giving you your photos to put straight on board. It's giving you where to buy it from, where your links are to come back when you sell it. If you want to buy these in bulk, so if you want to do a big order and hold stock, if you want to sell it on Amazon, you can view an Amazon page. If you want to have a look on eBay, showing people how people are selling it on eBay, Facebook page, also website selling this. So it's giving you all the information on where to sell and how to sell it. One last thing I would like to do with you is just clear up something about people saying that, well, everything's too expensive. Everyone is cheaper than me on Instagram, Facebook, websites, eBay. I get it on eBay more than anything. So if we type in iPhone 6 life-proof case here for an example, okay, this is our listing here. Perfect example. We've sold 433. There's 10 other people selling exactly the same as me, and I am the second highest seller in price-wise. So if we look down here, same thing, bad photo, $10, only sold 60. Okay, 28 sold none, 27 sold none, $5 to $9 only sold 67, $5 to $7 only sold 7, so $10 sold 52, 10 sold, only 3 people watching, hasn't sold any yet, $10.50 sold 32. 29 to 49 sold 72. So again, people, just remember, when you are selling anything online, don't worry about pricing. Here is a proven example. 433 sold at 3 to 4 times more expensive than our competitors. Again, if you're going to buy a product from somebody, again, you do not want to buy the cheapest, because people think cheap is nasty, cheap is fake, cheap is a knockoff. So just remember, just be the market leader in what you do. Don't be a bottom scraper. Bottom scrapers get bottom feeders. Bottom feeders give bad reviews. Bottom feeders are going to be a pain in your neck. Okay? So again, product research we've done for you here is available for you literally to come straight into the niche hunter here, come straight into your niche hunter and actually put products directly on eBay or anywhere you need to put them. So again, you can do teeth whitening kits, you name it. You can do whatever you like when you're doing it. So I'll look at one last one with you. This is an Australian supplier. Okay, product cost $19, sales price $49, profit margin 30. We've got our supplier here, website selling it. So the good thing about this, guys, this supplier here is an Australian supplier, so we can get this out in 3 days, quite quick. So again, it shows you it's very popular on Facebook. Again, let's have a look at it on eBay. People selling this on eBay. Okay, so this person here is selling for $47 with 81 sold. So just remember, when we're selling products, again, if we look at teeth whitening kits, again, when we're looking at teeth whitening kits, guys, just remember too, there's some cheapies out there for $19. You know, there's so many cheap teeth whitening kits out there again, but again, we don't want to be the cheapest out there. We want to be normally priced, you know, around that price of around that, you know, $35 to $40, and we'll be very competitive. As I said, we've seen one customer there do over 57, sold 57 so far since we actually launched this product 2 weeks ago. Okay, so just remember, guys, all the information's there. Copy this, put that as your description on eBay. Okay, put this in here, and that can be your product description. Okay, take your photos, get your photos, make them large, screenshot them, upload them. Okay, just remember on Canva too, you can always add things on Canva. So add these to Canva, put Australian flag in there, or put in there free shipping, just so people know what they're getting. Okay, so the good thing about it is copy this, upload your photos, have a look at some existing eBay or websites selling this, how they're doing it, add a little bit to it, and again, we'll see sales from that. So any questions you may have, don't hesitate to call your store manager or give us a call on 1-800-640-418. Thank you. Goodbye.